Ever wondered why some relationships thrive while others crumble over petty disagreements? It's no secret that the root of many relationship issues lies within the realm of communication. This doesn't just mean talking more, but rather communicating more effectively. It's about understanding and being understood, about sharing and acknowledging emotions, and about resolving conflict in a healthy, respectful manner. In the next few minutes, we will explore 5 key strategies that men can use to communicate better and reduce conflict in their relationships. First up is active listening, but what is it exactly? Well, active listening is more than just hearing what your partner says. It's about fully engaging, showing genuine interest and understanding their perspective. To practice active listening, start by giving your partner your full attention when they speak. This means putting away distractions and focusing solely on them. Avoid interrupting, even when you're itching to share your thoughts. Instead, let them express their feelings and ideas freely and without judgment. This shows respect for their perspective and helps to create a safe space for open dialogue. Once your partner has finished speaking, reflect back what you've heard. This doesn't mean simply repeating their words verbatim, but summarizing their main points and emotions. This ensures you've understood correctly and also shows your partner that you value their perspective. Active listening is a skill that, when practiced regularly, can significantly improve understanding and reduce conflict in your relationship. The second strategy is about empathy building. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. In the context of a relationship, it's about truly understanding your partner's emotions and experiences. It's about putting yourself in their shoes and gaining a deeper insight into what they're feeling. Now, how do we build empathy? It starts with active listening. You listen to your partner's words, observe their body language, and try to grasp the emotions behind their words. But empathy goes a step further. You listen to your partner's words, observe their body language, and try to grasp the emotions behind their words. But empathy goes a step further. It's not just about understanding. It's about validating their emotions, acknowledging their feelings, and letting them know that you're there for them. For example, if your partner is upset about a stressful day at work, you could say, "It sounds like you had a really tough day and I can understand why you're feeling stressed. I'm here for you." Remember, empathy is not about agreeing or taking sides. It's about understanding and validation. Empathy, once mastered, can foster deeper emotional connections and reduce misunderstandings in your relationship. Now let's talk about open and honest communication. Picture this, a relationship where you can share your deepest thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. This is the essence of open and honest communication. It's about fostering an environment where both partners feel comfortable expressing their thoughts, feelings, dreams, and fears openly. But how do you achieve this? It starts with being honest about your own emotions and thoughts. Share your feelings with your partner, not as a complaint, but as a part of who you are. Promote transparency by being open about your needs and expectations. Use I statements to express your feelings without sounding accusatory. Instead of saying, "You always leave the dishes unwashed," try, "I feel frustrated when I see unwashed dishes." This approach reduces defensiveness and promotes understanding. Open and honest communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. It fosters trust and understanding, reducing conflict and fostering harmony. Fourth on our list is conflict resolution skills. A harmonious relationship isn't about avoiding conflict, it's about resolving it in a healthy way. Conflicts are inevitable, but they don't have to lead to relationship breakdowns. Instead, they can be opportunities for growth and understanding. So, how do you practice effective conflict resolution? Let's break it down. First, focus on the specific issue at hand. Avoid bringing up past grievances, which can quickly escalate the situation and divert from the current problem. Second, work together towards a resolution. It's not about winning an argument. It's about finding a solution that benefits both of you. Be open to compromise and always prioritize your relationship over being right. Lastly, remember to communicate respectfully. Even in conflict, it's essential to maintain respect for each other's feelings and opinions. Avoid blaming or criticizing, focus on expressing your concerns and needs. Effective conflict resolution is key to maintaining peace and harmony in your relationship. Last but not least, it's crucial to establish boundaries and respect. In any relationship, it's vital to understand and respect personal boundaries. It's about knowing where one person ends and the other begins. For instance, you might appreciate quiet time after work, while your partner might thrive on social interaction. It's important to communicate these differences and respect them. This way, each individual's needs are met, fostering harmony and understanding. Respecting boundaries in each other's personal space is a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship. To recap, we've explored 5 key strategies to better communication and conflict reduction in relationships. We've discussed the importance of active listening, building empathy, maintaining open and honest communication, honing conflict resolution skills, and establishing boundaries and respect. Each of these strategies plays a crucial role in fostering a deeper connection and reducing conflict. Remember, good communication is the bedrock of a healthy relationship. Practice these strategies and see the difference it makes. Until next time, keep communicating.